Hey Mark, how you doing? It's Alexis with Active Eclipse. Unfortunately, we've had to reschedule our meetings numerous times already, but that's okay. I figured I'd shoot this quick video to show you what it is that we can do for you. So from our experience, there's 5 things you need to do to stand out online and kick butt in your market, right? So the first thing you need to do is get online, and you've done that. You have a website. It's a nice, clean looking website. There's a few issues with it in my opinion. One of them is that it's built with Wix. And the issue with Wix is that it's difficult to rank a website built on Wix. I'm not saying that we cannot rank it, but it is difficult. So that's one. Second thing is you don't have a contact form on your homepage here. And what I mean by that is this here. So this contact form, you have to figure out a way, or we would have to figure out a way to get it on your home page. Next thing is that your phone number here, so I'm assuming this right here is an image, right? We need to put your phone number somewhere else besides here and make it a click to call where I can click on your phone number and make a phone call. That way if I was searching for, let's say, carpet cleaner in Mesa, Arizona, or Mesa carpet cleaner on my phone, and your website shows up and I want to call you, I can click on the phone number right away and it automatically calls you. And if you're not sure what that is, just let me know and I'll show you what I mean by that. But outside of that, it's a clean looking website. It's nice. I would probably add a bit more contact in here. Your about us, I'm assuming that's you, handsome guy there. I like that you have your services page here. You have some videos here. This is great. I'm assuming this is like a before and after, so to speak. So it's good stuff. One more thing that I would also do is, so you see you have all these letters or words that are bold. Having 1 or 2 is good, maybe even 3 at the most. This is too many. On your services pages, carpet cleaning, so you see all these words that you have that are in bold. So if I was to put all these words together, I would probably get a paragraph. So I would say 1/4 of your page is bolded, and Google doesn't like to see that. So those are some of the few things that I would change if I were you. Next thing you need to do is show up. So what we mean by that is, and you've done a decent job of this, so I'm not sure if you ever heard of Deluxe. They've partnered up with Yax. A lot of people have heard of Yax. And basically what they do is they put you on all these directories. So think about it as the Yellow Pages, the Yellow Pages, the book where people put their business on there. So these are a bunch of Yellow Books or Yellow Pages online, right? So what I did is I put in your company info on here, and what we do is we scan it, right? And it's going to show us how many errors you have, and I'm going to go over some of the errors that you have. So right now you're up to 55. Is that 60? 62 errors, 65 errors. Okay, so and basically what you need to do is have your name, address, and phone number in all these directories, and they have to be the same. So Google is not showing up on here, but I believe you do have your Google listing. It's just that this tool is not picking it up. So you see how your name, address, and phone number is the same on these 3 here, and it's checked off green. That's good. You're not on Foursquare. You should definitely try to get onto Foursquare, Super Pages, Dex Knows, Local.com, so on and so forth. And this one, Alert. So what the issue with this listing, Easy Local, is that your address is not listed as it is on the other ones. So that's an error. And a lot of times, if a company moves, let's say instead of you move from 2429 East Inglewood Street to 2429 Main Street, if you do that, all these listings have to be corrected and change. Otherwise, you will have alerts, and people would have issues finding your business. A lot of times, you may change your phone number. So that's something that we need to take care of. So again, and I believe Yax charges like $1,000 a year for this. This is something we can do for you. It'll be a one-time fee, and we'll clean all these up. So we'll get you listed on these, and where there's errors, like where's that orange one? Like here, we'll get that fixed for you. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to have you need to stand out, right, and have reviews. So we're back to your homepage here. I did a quick search on Mesa carpet cleaning, right? Now, this here is what's known as the map pack. And if you look at the map pack, you have Mesa carpet cleaners showing up as 1, Brimley's as 2, and Caliber as 3. If you look at these, and you don't know any of the companies, let's say I just moved to the area and I'm looking for a carpet cleaner for the apartment that I rented out because my landlord didn't give me a nice clean carpet, and I did this search, more than likely I will go with Brimley's. Why? Because they have 172 reviews and their average rating is over 4. So Mesa has a 5.0, but they only have 10 people that reviewed. For all I know, that could have been family members and friends that did those reviews. It's kind of hard to get 172 family members and friends to give you good reviews. So I would definitely check out Brimley's first, then I would go with Caliber, and then maybe Mesa, right? So this is what you need. You need reviews in order for people to reach out to you. And again, this is the map pack. Now, being on the map pack is super strong. This is prime real estate, so a lot of people will click on these here, right? Now, if I was to scroll down, a lot of times, right here, this is what we call the organic. So these top 10 here are the organic listings. A lot of times, if you're listed here, you're also listed organic. So if we look here, Mesa Carpet Cleaners AZ, this is their website, right? This is White Glove Carpets. I don't think they show up here. Actually, they do, though. White Glove Carpet. So they're on the first page, right? They're number 10 on the first page, and I'm sure they're going to work their way up. And then you have Caliber Carpet Cleaning. Let's see where they're at here. Here they go. They're like 6 or so, right? And then the first one that shows up that's not on the map pack is Sunset Carpet Cleaners, right? So let's look at these websites real quick. Here's Mesa. They have nice clean looking website. Free quote form. Not a hard. See, you see how they have their contact form on the first page? That's something that I like. I actually like it up above the fold, though. That means that on this up here instead of down here. Just because it makes it easier if someone wanted to enter in their contact information, they could. Now here's their phone number. It's big, it's able to read, but it's not click to call. Let's see if one of the other websites that we're going to look at has it. So the other one was White Glove Carpet. So Brimley's White Glove ChemDry. So ChemDry is a big company. At least, I mean, they're here in New Jersey where I'm from. So I'm assuming they're a national company. Nice website, contact form. As you can see, it's somewhat above the fold, which is good for them. Very clean, nice looking website. This was probably built on WordPress. Let me see if I click here, if it takes me. You see their phone number here, so I can't click to call. Let me see where this takes me to. All right, so that takes me to a contact page. But you see how their phone number here is click to call. You see how my pointer turns into a hand, and if I was to click on it, I can make a phone call. Now, I would have that here, and also on my home page or up here. I would make sure that I can be able to click here and make that phone call. Caliber Carpet Cleaning. Bit of a busy website, not horrible, but again, they don't have a contact form up here, and their phone number is not click to call. Let's look at Mesa, or this was Sunset Carpet Cleaning, so that was the one that showed up that was not on the map pack. So if you see, we click here, see click to call, I can make that phone number. So this is good on their part. They don't have a contact form up here, which I think they should, but the phone number is definitely priority over the contact form above the fold. They have a nice clean website, good pictures. Yeah, residential commercial split. I definitely like this website. So first thing you need to do is get online, get your website there. You need to show up with the citations, as we said. You need to get the reviews. And who had the most reviews when we did this search? It was White Gloves. It's the national company, right? So another thing that we did is for these reviews and these citations, I looked up your company, so it's Trademark Ultra Cleaning Systems. So as we can see, here's your Yelp. You have 1 review there. Facebook, you have 4 reviews, 5 stars. On Google, you have 2 reviews, 5 stars. So it seems like you know what you're doing. You get your work done and you do good work, and people give you good reviews. However, you don't have enough reviews. You need a bunch of reviews. Now we have this software, which we'll talk about later if you want, where we can get you. I mean, every time you have a customer, you can send them a text. Every time you finish a job on site, you can send them an email or send them a text message and have them give you a positive online review on the spot. And positive is key. So if they're going to give you a negative review, it won't show up. We will intercept it. You'll get a message saying that customer XYZ is not happy with their service for whatever reason, and then you get to make things right with that person, and then they'll give you the positive review. So the last thing that I want to go over is this tool called Majestic. So it's something we use to look at your trust flow and your citation flow. So Majestic is just a third-party tool. And as you can see, your home title page is your website address, and this makes it difficult for you to rank. If I'm searching Mesa carpet cleaner, you're not going to show up anywhere because it's not on your homepage title. I'll show you what I mean by that. So Mesa Carpet Cleaners Arizona, I don't know if you remember them. They were the first ones on the map pack and the first ones on the organic. So if I do a search, when I did that search, look at their home title page, Mesa Carpet Cleaners, Mesa Carpet Cleaners. So this is a bit of keyword stuffing that you're using the same keyword twice, which Google kind of looks down upon that. But it's one of the reasons why they're showing up. They have Mesa Carpet Cleaners on their site. Also, they have a citation flow of 26, while your citation flow is 0, and your trust flow is 0 as well. The third website we looked at was White Glove Carpet, which was the Chem Dry company that had all the national website with a bunch of reviews. As you can see, they have a citation flow of 30 and a trust flow of 11. And if you look at their homepage title, the best carpet cleaning in Mesa, Arizona, and then so on and so forth. You can kind of read there everything that it says. The third one was Caliber Cleaning, so trust flow of 0, citation flow of 20. And as you can see, this is their title tag, Caliber Carpet Cleaning Upholstery, Gilbert, Arizona, Mesa. So see how they're kind of playing with the keywords a little bit, and that's one of the reasons why they're showing up. And again, if we go back to yours, it's just your website address. That's one of the reasons why you're not showing up. The last one is the one that showed up organically but was not there on the maps. So they have a trust flow of 0 and a citation flow of 17. And as you can see, their title tag, Mesa Carpet Cleaning, Sunset Carpet Cleaning. So if you want to show up in Mesa, Arizona for carpet cleaning, you see that you need to have Mesa Carpet Cleaning on your home title. It's what we see that's consistent with all these websites for the most part. One last thing that I did is so this is this is Rank Tracker, a tool that we use also for to see where you're at ranking, right? So I just picked 5 keywords that I would search for if I was in Mesa and I was looking for a carpet cleaner. And I actually got these from what you text me. So, you know, you told me to do carpet repair, upholstery cleaning, tile cleaning, grout cleaning, and carpet cleaning, right? So I put those in here, and what they would do is tell me where you're ranking at, where you're at, you know, between 1 and 100, where do you rank in the first 10 pages of Google when we do these searches. And you see these slashes here, backslashes, that basically means that you're not ranked in the top 10 pages. So again, if I'm looking for a Mesa carpet cleaner and or carpet repair or any of these keywords, I'm not going to find you. So you definitely need to start working on your online, showing up online if you want to get more customers from online. So these are all things that we can take care of for you. If you have any questions, just reach out to us. Reply, you know, either text me, you got my number, or email me, and we'll go on. And actually, we still have that meeting that we need to take care of. So yeah, we still have that meeting we need to take care of. So we can you know, we'll go over this stuff on there in more detail if need be. All right, thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. I know this is a bit of a long video, and I apologize for that, but it's a lot of important stuff that you need to take care of on here. All right, thank you, and have a great day.